Secrets to giving a good speech. Delivering a great speech can feel daunting, but it is a skill that can be mastered with preparation, practice, and the right approach. Whether you're giving a presentation at work, a speech at a wedding, or addressing an audience at a conference, these tips can help you capture attention and leave a lasting impression. Here are the secrets to giving a memorable and impactful speech. 1. Know your audience. One of the most important elements of a good speech is understanding your audience. Tailor your content, tone, and delivery to who they are and what they care about. Ask yourself, who is my audience? What do they know about this topic? What are their expectations? What do I want them to take away from this speech? Understanding your audience allows you to craft a message that resonates with them on a deeper level. 2. Structure your speech. A well-structured speech is easier for your audience to follow and understand. Use a clear framework. Introduction. Grab the audience's attention and introduce the main theme. Body. Present your key points in a logical order, supported by examples, data, or anecdotes. Conclusion. Summarize the key takeaways and end with a strong closing message. A good structure ensures that your speech flows well and keeps the audience engaged. 3. Start with a strong hook. Your opening should captivate the audience from the start. Consider starting with a compelling statistic or fact, a relevant and personal anecdote, a provocative question, a bold statement. The goal is to pique the audience's interest immediately and set the tone for the rest of your speech. 4. Practice, practice, practice rehearsing. Your speech is crucial to building confidence and refining your delivery. Practice allows you to familiarize yourself with the content, improve your pacing and timing, work on your tone and body language. Consider practicing in front of a mirror, recording yourself, or rehearsing in front of a friend or family member to get feedback. 5. Connect with your audience. Building a connection with your audience helps them stay engaged and makes your message more impactful. To do this, make eye contact with individuals in the audience. Use inclusive language like we and our. Reference shared experiences or common goals. Acknowledge the audience's reactions and adjust your tone or energy accordingly. A speech that feels like a conversation will resonate more with your listeners. 6. Use stories and examples. People remember stories more than facts. Incorporate personal anecdotes, case studies, or examples that illustrate your points. This helps make abstract ideas more concrete and relatable. Stories evoke emotion and make your message memorable. Help the audience connect with you on a personal level. Break up the speech, making it more dynamic. Remember to keep your stories relevant to the key points of your speech. 7. Be authentic. Authenticity is key to building trust and credibility. Speak in your natural voice and be yourself. Audiences can sense when someone is trying too hard to impress or putting on a facade. Being authentic means showing passion for your topic, being honest and transparent, embracing vulnerability, sharing personal insights or experiences. When you speak from the heart, your message is more likely to connect with your audience. 8. Control your nerves. Even experienced speakers can get nervous before a big speech. Here are a few strategies to manage anxiety. Breathe deeply. Taking deep breaths can help calm your nerves before and during the speech. Visualize success. Imagine yourself delivering a successful speech to boost your confidence. Focus on your message. Shift your focus away from self-doubt by concentrating on the value of what you're sharing. Pause when needed. If you feel overwhelmed, it's okay to take a pause and gather your thoughts. Nerves are normal, but they don't have to hold you back. By preparing well, you can turn that nervous energy into enthusiasm. 9. Use body language effectively. Your body language can either enhance or detract from your speech. Be mindful of how you use gestures, posture, and movement. Make purposeful gestures. Use your hands to emphasize points but avoid fidgeting. Stand tall and confident. Good posture conveys confidence and authority. Move around. If appropriate, walk across the stage or interact with your audience through movement to create a more dynamic presentation. Smile. A genuine smile helps build rapport and makes you appear more approachable. Positive body language helps reinforce your message and makes your speech more engaging. 10. End with a memorable conclusion. The conclusion of your speech is your final opportunity to leave a lasting impression. End strong by summarizing your key points, offering a call to action if applicable, sharing a memorable quote or message, using a closing story that ties back to your theme. A strong conclusion ensures that your audience walks away with your key message firmly in mind. On 11, use visuals wisely, if applicable. If you're using slides or other visual aids, ensure they complement your speech rather than distracting from it. Some tips for effective visuals include: keep slides simple and uncluttered. Use visuals to illustrate key points, not repeat them. Avoid over-reliance on text. Let your spoken words do the talking. Practice transitioning between slides smoothly. Visual aids should support your message, not compete with it. 12. Engage with your audience. In some speeches, it's beneficial to ask questions or invite participation from the audience. This keeps people involved and breaks up the monologue. You can ask rhetorical questions to make the audience think. Take a quick poll or show of hands. Invite audience members to share their thoughts or experiences. Interactive moments make your speech more dynamic and give the audience a chance to feel part of the conversation. Conclusion: delivering a good speech requires preparation, authenticity, and an understanding of your audience. By following these tips, crafting a clear message, practicing your delivery, using stories and examples, and managing your nerves, you can give a speech that not only informs but also inspires and connects with your listeners.